Am I live? Am I live? Am I live? Okay. Is it Friday? It's the day Friday. I lose count of my days. It's the day Friday. It's gotta be Friday. Yeah, because today's Friday. So anyway, some things I want to talk about. I want to talk about the AARP couple, Perry and Sherelle. Okay, I want to start with them. Now, listen, I know you guys are not lawyers. I know you're not even paralegals. I know you're not even legal secretaries. So I understand, okay, you guys don't know how to interpret um, court orders. Um, but when you don't have the expertise in a particular area like blogging, although I've been, we started all this. I I don't know the nuance. Like I don't know how to purchase streaming. Like I gotta Google stuff. I gotta learn stuff. But I know I'm not an expert in that particular area. So guess what I do? I close my mouth. Okay. Now, just so you understand, the court did find that Tasha K was in contempt of court. Okay, that's why the court is requiring her to pay Cardi B's legal fees and requiring her to remove all content in connection with Cardi B and anyone tied to her from her. So that was the punishment. Now it's civil, but you still can go to jail because if she doesn't comply, like pay those fees by the 21 days or whatever number of days, 28 days that the government that the court gave her to pay, guess what can happen? She can go to jail. You can go to jail. You can go to jail for falsifying documents presented to the court because every time you present something to the court, guess what's at the bottom? You're swearing or affirming that you have not presented any false statements to the court. You have not withheld any financial documents from the bankruptcy judge. Okay? Or I forgot the person that manages the bankruptcy. I forgot. I don't do bankruptcy. So, but you know, Sherelle World, she remind me of Smurfette. Like she should really go into voiceover. That she missing her call. She wasting her time with YouTube. Okay, she needs to go because Sherelle. See, I don't like talking about people intellectual level, but sometimes it's just hard to watch her because you want the ideas to flow. That's why she needs her husband Perry, because Perry, he's a little bit more higher up on the intellectual scale. So that's why she needs him by her side. I didn't. I still got an alt with them because I was over there with them. I was Miss Betty. They a couple of times Perry shouted me out. But I didn't like the way they went after Tracy Braxton's son. I don't, you know, I have a special place for children, especially children that lost their mom. And he was going through such a tough time, and they wanted to talk about his alleged drug problem, and the kid was grieving. He watched his mom die, and Perry should have been more understanding. But they went after that young man. I did a video, and I'm gonna link it to the bottom. I did a video to them because I was pissed off. I was pissed off. But people, y'all better watch how you move because you really think you're smart when you're not. You think you're smarter than the fifth grader and you're not. Um, and you got to watch how y'all move. Y'all gonna stop playing with the courts. Y'all gonna stop playing with judges. Y'all gonna stop playing with lawyers. Yeah, y'all gonna have to stop. y'all gonna have to stop playing with each other. So shout out to Lakeisha. See, I like smart people. I like Meek at Night, Keisha, The Wally Show, Armand Wiggins. Of course, you know Nate the lawyer and attorney Simone. They're my favorites, and I like that law chick too. I like her too. You know, I want folks to stop begging. I want the lawyers to stop begging for cash apps. I want the lawyer to stop grifting you. I understand that now they removed themselves from the practice of law, but holla at me. I got some business, I can give y'all so y'all don't have to grift the people. Just just call me, email me your contact information. Okay, because y'all we gotta be careful because we got license and you taking money from folks and giving legal advice to folks. Our respective ethics committee might not like that. So I'm just saying we need to watch out. We can't move like everybody else move. I know it's hard because I want to. I want to really throw some fades, but I can't. So I have to use my law degree and my bar license to throw fades. I can't throw fades with physically. But anyway, that's that. What else I wanted to talk about? Was there anything I wanted to talk about? Anything else? I'm glad YouTube is crying at that. I don't get to watch too many people because if I don't like you, I can't watch you. I did. So I have to get the cliff notes, like what's going on in the beef sector from ZT or Kwani or Deanna Irving, because I or Jay Wilson, even Jay Wilson. Jay Wilson is funny, or James, Lady Nika, but everybody else, I just can't watch. So, but anyway, have a nice day. I guess the king don't want to take my offer to talk to me. He just rather keep, coming down here under these numerous accounts and thinks he's harassing me when he's not. Okay, I gotta let puppy in. All right, pray for me. I got on my face. Let me tell you, I had this shirt for. I think I bought this in 1990. I bought this in 1990, look, 35 years ago, almost 35, 31 years ago. I still love this shirt. It's old, but I love it. I just love my shirt. Love my shirt. Don't look at my boobies. But anyway, have a nice day. I'll probably will go live and let you meet some of my cousins, some of my 300 cousins that I have. I may let you go live if they let me, because they don't like this. They don't like social media like that. Okay, so have a nice day. Stay great. Look at my Also, go check out my interview of Councilman Louis Velez, Patterson, New Jersey. That's my boy. You know, I have gotten so much justice just from being inside. Y'all wait till I show up. Wait till I pull up. Okay. It's gonna be some problems. Okay. Y'all gonna have to act right. Y'all, I'm telling you, the administration in Patterson, I'm going to be on you guys like white on rice. Okay. And folks better start singing. Folks better start singing or okay, I'm done. All right. Have a have a nice day. Be great. All right. Bye.